My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware that is called Llqq. This particular ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open any files without any complications. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this Llqq ransomware may be easily injected into the system. And then pretty soon after people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts all these files, including pictures, videos, of course Microsoft Office documentation and other data. After the encryption is successful, the ransomware adds a special Llqq extension to the files. And when you try to open the file, you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored. I recommend you to go to the task manager first of all, look for suspicious processes that could be in the background, such as this one with the long random name, right-click on it and end its task. This can help you stop the further file encryption. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and delete all files that are related to this ransomware. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin researching and investigating your computer. So Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all threats which were found during the scan. The program is in the trial mode, so it is only that the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan, but the program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any ransomware. As I said, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching your system. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license only. You can add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Anyway, you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished. As I said, at the end of the scan, you'll see the information about all the threats that were found during the scan. So, we recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats automatically, and this is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.